Hey, what's happening? And today I'm doing a super quick video on how to make a character or object dissolve or disappear in LightWave. And I wanted to do this because I'm working on an animation where a character is going to jump through a portal and he needs to disappear once he goes through the portal. So I was like, oh, I haven't done that in a while and it's like so easy. I just thought I'd do it as a video just because it seems like something you'd want to do pretty often, have something dissolve or disappear. So anyway, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm in layout and I'm just going to come here to the in-out interchange, and I've got a character, Mixamo character all ready to go. So I'm just going to bring him in and I'm just going to put him at the 4th frame there, the start of his animation. And I'm just going to, in the this position, I'm going to just zoom in a little bit closer here so we can get a better look at him, like so. And then I'll just go ahead and match my camera to that perspective. Okay, so this is really easy. It's a little different with the Mixamo rig, but you can get the idea. You just come into the objects. Now in the Mixamo rig, of course, you've got 3 levels. You've got the skeletal structure, you've got his surface, and then he's got his joint. What we want is we want both the surface and the joints to dissolve. And so this is what we'll do is we'll click on the surface and then we'll go to properties. And then in the render tab here, you've got this feature of object dissolve, which thank goodness it's there, right? And then you click here, and all you got to do is click on here, key to make keyframe, and then you just click right there somewhere. And if you're off the frame, you can just type in 120, and then the value is going to be 100 because we want him to completely dissolve. So if we hit play right now, oh, you've got to be in VPR. Let's go to VPR. Sorry about that. You hit VPR, he fades, but then you see his insides, right? His joints. So that's kind of weird. So what we'll do for that is we're going to come back in here. Let me just switch view here. We'll just switch to the joints now, and we'll do the same thing. We'll just click here on E, and you just make sure you make a keyframe there, and then you just jack this up to 100. And now if we watch it in VPR, you'll notice is that you'll start seeing his insides a little bit, and they both fade out, but it's kind of weird that you see his insides. So the solution to that would be, we're just going to come back in here and make sure that we're on joints. Hold on. We'll just make sure we're on the joints, which we are. And we're going to go back here, and all you got to do is click on the move tool here, press Control, and then just slide this over so that the inside fades out faster, and then you don't see it. And that's all there is to it. It's as simple as that. But this is a really basic feature of dissolving that's helpful for a lot of different situations. So anyway, I just wanted to make this quick little video to show you how easy it is to dissolve an object in LightWave. So take care, have a great day, and I'll talk to you next time. Hey, I just wanted to make a quick note. I was showing you how to do a dissolve on this, but if you want the character to just disappear, like if I hit play here and just poof, be gone like that, then what we would do is if we go into the graph editor, let me get on what I need to get on here. Oops, not right there. Let me go into properties here, and if I click on here, what you can do is you'd right click on this and you can set it as stepped, and then that'll make it go instantly from 0 to 100%. So that's all you got to do to make it instantly disappear. So there may be instances where you don't really want the dissolve, you just want the character to poof, be gone. And if that's the case, then you would just right click on the point and set it to stepped. And that's all you got to do for that. So I just wanted to mention that because I was thinking that there might be instances where you just want something to completely disappear and not dissolve. Okay, that's all I had. Take care again, and I'll talk to you later.